Slight issue, ladies and gentlemen. I know why it doesn't work. As you can probably tell, this is not a standard ATX motherboard. This is some kind of corporate bullshit. And it has protection against me. Because it has fucking protection against shorting the pins on the fucking front panel. So now I have to do a fucking little solution, and that means you... Okay, so this is fucking weird, but as you can see, the case is here, and I have plugged in the front panel cables. Oh, this is quickly turning into a spaghetti, what the fuck? Let's try this one as... Let's try this one last time. That's what we say. Turn it on. Now, you motherfucker. Oh shit. It worked. It fucking... You bitch! Gentlemen, we have post! Holy fuck, we have post. It's working like a dream, but I want Windows fucking 10. Holy shit. I'm amazed that this is actually working, but you can see the resolution is not really holy fuck.